month, they spend more on their dogs across the street. Three short, three long, three short. Is this an SOSS? What the hell is going on with this house? How did you rest last night? Pretty good. My son slept through the night. Are you here for something this early? The property fee includes a monthly pipe inspection. Someone will come on Wednesday. Just giving you a heads up. No problem. I'll be here on Wednesday. She is counting. Marcus, this is your husband's ring. Who are you?
Vera Cross, Marcus's wife. He told everyone I went missing. I am that missing wealthy woman. Locked under my own house. Today is day 982.
I live right above you. So he didn't just kidnap her, he bought off the cops too. This bastard has the whole street in the palm of his hand.
Ethan, you still alive, kid?
Listen, I can't get into details right now. Get me a burner phone as cheap as possible by tonight at the latest.
A burner? All right, pick it up at the usual spot.
How old is the baby?
Been hungry for a long time.
Dad, there was an envelope on the floor by the door.
Who dropped it off?
Didn't see anyone, it was just slipped under the door.
From now on, if there's anything at the door, call Dad first. Don't pick it up yourself. Got it?
Is a former employee of the FBI's cyber division. He's now a security expert that we trust, and he joins us now via Skype. Thanks for being with us.
It's a pleasure. What the fuck are you doing? This is my house!
Someone reported you're hiding a missing person. Now cooperate with the search.
I just moved in last week. Look at this place. The boxes aren't even unpacked. Who the fuck am I hiding? All right. Put the guns away. This family aren't criminals. Ray, how many times have I told you there's a limit even when following procedure? Ethan, I'm truly sorry. The police station got a tip, so we had to come verify. You know, cooperating with an investigation is every citizen's duty. Short, long, pause. Short, long. She reversed the Morse code into a melody. She is passing a message. Offshore Trust Code 8734KS. This is what Marcus wants her to sign. Does he know you are sending messages out?
He thinks I'm crazy. Isn't it normal for someone locked up for 2 years to go crazy?
He says you're a good tenant, and good tenants deserve to be treated well these days.
All right, we'll be there. Good tenant. The test isn't over yet, is it?
It's great you could come. To be honest, so many people looked at this apartment before, complaining about this and that, but you just signed it without any nonsense. Good tenants are hard to find.
People like me don't have the right to be picky.
What is your son wearing around his neck?
A toy whistle. Kids like to blow on them for fun.
He spotted the whistle. Ray is already walking over. If I don't make a move now, I won't have a chance in the next second.
Excuse me for a moment. I need to go watch my son. He doesn't swim very well. Sorry, it's been too long since I swim. Choked on water as soon as I got in.
like that man.
Which man?
The bald one. He keeps looking at you.
We won't have to see him for much longer.
Ethan?
Is the signal good?
Good enough.
How do I know you're not helping Marcus?
If I were helping him, I'd be upstairs drinking champagne, not down here eating your baby food.
Where is the electrical room?
East side of the exterior wall behind a gray iron door. You pull the main breaker, the backup power takes 90 seconds to kick in. That's enough time for me to take pictures of the forged trust documents and send them out.
90 seconds, are you sure?
I've been locked down here for 2 years listening to the fuses trip. I had nothing else to do.
We're not making a move tonight. I need to figure out when the guards change shifts first.
You have a son. The risk is too high. I don't want it to have me.
You have family too.
My sister still doesn't know I'm alive.
Then wait for my signal. Don't die.
Is there anyone out there?
I don't see anyone. This lock is tougher than I expected.
The 90 seconds the moment you pull the breaker. You must be back inside before the backup power comes on.
I know.
Who's there?
They aren't security. They're guards.
Who's there? Who's over there?
They watch me here every night. The same date, the spacing of the number 3 is different. In one it's tight, in another it's spread wide. The same person wouldn't make that kind of deviation.
So they are forged.
Nailed on. A handwriting expert can spot it at a glance. The problem is these documents submitted through my hands. We need a verifiable channel of I know.
You keep preparing the materials, I'll handle the channel. Are the burner phone and encrypted email for Vera?
Ready. There's a clean phone hidden in the secret compartment of the old shelf. Pick it up when you confirm it's safe.
Next time don't use baby food jars to pass things. It's gross. Doug says the handwriting analysis is a guaranteed win. The same date on the documents has 2 different spations. The forger didn't even notice this flaw.
He has a guy who makes fake documents named Brian for signing a document by wrong when I was up there.
Now these documents are hard evidence in the hands of an expert. But documents aren't enough. You need to appear in court yourself.
So I have to get out alive.
Right. The next blackout is the last one. 90 seconds, you use the flash to take pictures of the remaining pages. You can't miss a single page. No blurry focus. Send them out right there.
What about your end? Figured out the guard shifts?
3:15. I have about a 400-second window. It's enough.
That's in theory. Last time you almost got blocked outside.
I wasn't ready last time. I am this time. How many did you get?
All of them. Trust transfer, offshore account authorization, joint safe deposit box agreement. I took pictures of every page. For the signature call-in, I used macro mode. My hands didn't shake.
Sent to the lawyer?
Transferring now. To the encrypted email your friend Doug gave me earlier. He said he'd give me a confirmation when the transfer is done.
Doug got him. He says the evidence stands.
So what do we do now? Call the police?
Not yet. Doug says these documents are enough to launch a criminal investigate. There's a hard legal threshold. The victim must appear in court in person.
Meaning you have to stand in court alive for these to count.
Vera, I will get you out. But what we have to do next is
Much more dangerous than pulling the breaker.
Then let's do it.
Are you Victor? The maintenance guy for this building?
Who are you?
New tenant on the first floor. I'm Ethan.
You're the one who rented that unit. Do you know who lived there before?
No. and I don't want to know. I came to you because I knocked on my walls, and it's not a foundation under my bedroom floor. Built by Marcus' father in '60s, has underground Cold War safe room. Marcus repurposed it. Check this out. Is the abandoned shaft accessible? Both ends sealed, middle pipe intact, entrance merely bricked off. 17-centimeter hollow brick rear wall, sole barrier to pass. Hollow bricks are drillable. Power drilling me death. Whole building has vibration sensors linked to police and security. Drill on, alarm in 3s, ray at your door in 10s. I know a junkyard guy with a silent hydraulic spreader. Fire department type, silent manual pump strong enough to tear chassis. This is a month's rent in cash. Enough for you to find a motel outside. I don't want your money. Marcus owes me 6 months of pay. What I want is his retribution. When can I get this thing? Tomorrow. Come get it tomorrow. Meters. What about the noise?
It's just hydraulic fluid flowing, quieter than you're breathing. Just don't pump it too fast.
Keep an eye on Leo for me while I'm doing the work.
What time?
I'll let you know beforehand.
Stop that knocking! What the hell are you hammering in the middle of the day?
Now, go to Grandpa Victor's place.
Neighbors complained about knocking. I'm here to check. I'm putting together a bookshelf. Next time you do any construction, report it beforehand.
Have Leo stay with you a little longer. I'm not done on my end yet.
This apartment is cheap because there's someone locked under the floor. Her name is Vera, and Dad is trying to save her. You have to keep this a secret.
Can we give this to the lady?
Leo, thank you for the walker thunky. And your bit of J's.
Auntie Vera said Uncle Ray always keeps running to the bathroom on Wednesday nights.
Say that again?
Uncle Ray drinks coffee on Wednesdays and always goes to the bathroom.
Ray goes to the bathroom like crazy on Wednesdays?
He brings his own thermos of espresso, runs to the bathroom twice an hour, 7 or 8 minutes each time. Marcus is out, so he's basically the only guard in the building.
When is Auntie coming out?
Soon.
He'll come down for his patrol in an hour.
In an hour, I'll already be out.
What if you aren't?
Then tell them the exterminator walked into the wrong room. Now watch the hallway for me.
Step back. I'm going to keep widening it.
Ray just came down from the second floor office. He's heading straight for the boiler room. It's not a patrol. He's moving fast. Someone tipped him off.
Someone's coming right now. Do you trust me? I'm gonna cover the hole. Wait for my signal. I will get you out today. Guaranteed. There's a horizontal pipe down there. Go straight to the garage. Don't make a sound.
Come back soon.
I can keep him at the front desk for 3 minutes max. Finish up and head out.
What are you doing here? Faucet's broken, barring a wrench. Landlord said handle minor repairs ourselves. You have to run to the boiler room for a broken first floor faucet? The first floor tool room is empty. Victor said there are spares here. It's just a bunch of old pipes inside. You want to check? Go to the first floor tenant's unit. Check the bedroom vent. Vent is normal. Nothing here. What happened? They found the hole in the boiler room wall. Ray's guys searched and found the spreader.
Marcus called me in himself. Didn't get physical, just made me sit, poured a cup of tea, talk like normal. He said a wall in the boiler room was torn open.
What did you say?
I said I had no idea. Maybe a previous tenant did it. He didn't argue, didn't press it. Then he gave me two choices. He pays my wages plus a year's severance and I walk away with the money.
And the other?
Say nothing and disappear.
Victor, you don't have to, I already chose. This has the blind spot map for every camera in the building. All blind spots are marked. From the boiler room to the garage, just follow the map. Cameras won't catch you. You are coming with us.
I can't leave. He is watching me now. If I leave, they'll lock down the whole building immediately. You won't even make it out the front door. I've worked in this building for 15 years. This is the first time someone is willing to do something about it. Get her out.
Early this morning, a single vehicle accident occurred on a suburban highway. A male in his 60s died at the scene. Police have identified him as local resident Victor. Initial investigations suggest fatigue driving. The cause of the accident is still under further verification.
Down there is the garage.
I can't walk.
I'll carry you.
Oh, fuck.
The building's locked down. Tonight's plan is canceled. Lay checked the vent, and this afternoon it was normal. Tonight's focus is on the pipes and his boy so first. Then you have to jib your quiet. If I'm not back before dawn, drink water yourself. April, don't bring Leo back tonight. Let him stay over at your place. If you don't see me at the school bus stop tomorrow morning, don't let any strangers near him. If you still haven't heard from me by noon, just in case, contact my cousin. I want him to know I hold the cards.
He will go crazy.
I'm waiting for him to go crazy. People make mistakes when they go crazy.
He knows I'm alive. He'll try to silence me.
He can't touch you. In half an hour, his name will be in the tip inbox of every media outlet.
Ethan, do you know what you are doing?
I'm negotiating with you.
How much do you want?
I don't want money. Listen carefully what I say next. Offshore Cayman Islands, BRG 471, channelized CTGA 8892, channel of Hemaldings and Azure assets. And the forged signature documents Brian made for you, the spacing of the 3 trust transfer tokens is inconsistent. The handwriting analysis report is already out. These are enough to launch a transnational criminal investigation. You only have one thing left to decide. Walk into the police station yourself, or wait for the detectives to knock on your door. Victor, this is an answer for you. They're here. Ethan, open the door now, and I won't touch your son. We know where he is tonight. Hold tight, don't let go.
Son needs his father.
Gums, not internal organs. I won't die. We have to keep moving. The fire alarm went off. The ground floor fire doors will release automatically. They won't have time to lock them again.
Put your hands up!
She is Vera Cross, illegally imprisoned by Marcus Cross for 2 years. There's a ventilation shaft on the floorboards of my apartment, an expanded brick wall in the boiler room, and an underground cell downstairs. Go see for yourselves.
It's not over yet. Marcus's legal team will initiate bail before dawn. Forging signatures is a white-collar crime. They can bite down and say it's just a financial dispute.
Doug, sort and archive all medical records, confinement photos, Victor's USB blind spot map, his death news, and call logs. Make 3 copies of them.
Got it.
Timestamp them.
We caught someone at the evidence room. Sent by Marcus's private lawyer trying to destroy the server hard drives. Caught red-handed.
He sent someone to the evidence room to destroy evidence and got caught red-handed by the detective staking it out. The bail hearing is flipped.
2 years, the defense filed for a psychiatric evaluation. The prosecution has evidence to present. Your Honor, the prosecution's lawyer would like to present someone to the evidence room security camera. If there are no direct evidence, why destroy evidence?
3 years, 3 shell companies, continuous payments to police higher-ups. This is kidnapping, illegal confinement, and systematic corruption.
Bail application denied. Transfer for pretrial detention immediately.
You think you've won? Your backup account and fake passport, the ones in the basement of your second house, we found them this morning.
That basement in the second house, how did you know?
Vera said so. Every time Marcus forced her to sign, he would bring it up, saying, if you don't sign, I'll move you to a worse place.
Your wife's case, any progress?
Let's close Vera's case first. The rest we'll talk about later.
The police searched Marcus's vacant waterfront property. In the basement, there's a finished cell, twice the size.
Your fund transferred this. The surgery bill is settled. It also covers the next 6 months of your rehab.
That's family trust money. It wasn't signed for nothing. How is your arm?
It moves. The doctor took out 2 bone pins, letting the rest heal on its own. Then he recommended I take a course in survey engineering. Said my drilling and wall breaking techniques were quite professional. Would be a waste not to study it.
Or you can jump straight out the window onto the grass.
Dad never wants to live on the first floor again. Still unpacking. Go ahead.
The officers sorting through Marcus's old things found some unarchived files this morning. They mention an offshore account, not in the Caymans, in another jurisdiction, never frozen.
What else?
Police found Marcus's overseas tax files confirming a secret safe house. An old maintenance order matches your new apartment's exact address. File note reads, top floor terrace equipment megalfiend. These new files prove he kept paying taxes until his arrest.
Who has the files now?
Files are sealed in police evidence room, not public yet.
Send that foreign address and the photo of the work order to me, not through the lawyer, directly to my personal phone.
You're going to look into it yourself?
Yes, but not right now. After Leo starts school, after you don't need the wheelchair, after I get my survey license, after everything settles.
Dad, can I pick which one is my room?
Yes, but this time you have to put the dinosaur on the bed. Don't hide it under the floorboards.
Dad, my ball went in here. Huh? There's something here. It's cold.
Old license plate, 6KQ9137, bank account, 987641. If these are found, it means he already made his move on me. Remember this license plate number. Find this person. He knows everything.
Dad, what is that?
Nothing. Just a clue.